performance. Beautiful performance. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. So every time I click the button, I'm actually spawning about 1,000. I believe I currently have it set to 1,000. Yeah, I'm spawning 1,000 collisions and keeping the old ones, so the old ones aren't disappearing. So there's about, let's see, 15,000 physics shapes right now. Look at, I can literally I just added 10,000 physics shapes, not a single hitch. And we're getting about 30,000 contacts. I do know there's one extra body and one extra shape because the floor. So I have 30,000 spawned, and then I had the on top of the one floor. So that's why there's 30,001. But yeah, so I'm happy with my physics experience. I've been working on performance and so forth. By the way, this is burst compiler and multi-threading not enabled on this API yet. So this is before burst compile. This is before multi-threading. I'm a very happy man. Yeah. Oh, when do I start getting like a chug? I think I got a small amount chug there. Okay, yeah, it started to drop in frame rate. 40. So I'd probably say like 45,000 to 40,000. There's so much optimization I can do, but all of them are actually able to make contact. So yeah, I'm very happy. There is a crap ton of just like collision going on right now, and it's really nice. So we'll see how much better I can do. I'm pretty sure once I burst compile it, or even if I just like job get it like multi-threaded for like the job, like that batching and so forth, and get a couple other things, I can probably get that performance bumped up way more, like ridiculously more compared to what I have currently. I am looking forward to the next step.